back at Main Apex. So we'll be checking out the project car, see if the engine fits. So let's see. Wow! It does fit, but we have some minor issues. So as you see, the engine is aligned already, but we saw that it sits too high on the engine bay that the hood will hit. So we have to lower it a bit. Currently it sits based on this configuration, it's the clearance from the ground is 6 inches, I think, roughly around 6 inches. So I think we'll be needing to lower this a couple of inches more, maybe 2 inches more. So it would be nice to really remove this manifold because it's blocking the entire space here, there. So let's see. The clearance is there. Sorry for the rough focus. So that's the clearance on the firewall. This is the clearance to the front, so it's very tight. There. See? So it's also sitting on a Sylvia cross member. So, and then we fabricated some engine mounts. So there. So a few other widening modifications have been done to the transmission tunnel, and guess what? The transmission is actually mounted already. So not sure if you see it, but it's there. And the shifter is here, so it's an actually good fit, where the shifter mechanism is directly under the hole of the tunnel. Nice. Let's take a closer look at the underside. There. Transmission already mounted. So the next step is to mount the rear differential, and then the propeller to this side. See? So it's coming along nicely. Here she is with the E21 project car. So side by side, two Germans with Japanese hearts. RB25 Toyota beams. Exciting builds. Can't wait to finish this already. So this one, what's this? It's another Toyota build. I think this will be a turbo Corolla. Let's see. So the hinges of the hood weren't aligned, and that caused the hood to hit the glass and it cracked. So now we need to find a replacement for it. See? There. Yikes. I ordered new plate holders, where else but in Lazada. So because this one's for a US version, and we need some to match the Philippine plates, and I don't want to see this one. It's extended. So hopefully it will be a nice fit. We also need to change the gaskets here, and that's a mess. Lots of rusted areas that we need to fix. Once we're done with the engine work, we're gonna do the body works. So fun fact, the 944 has a side handbrake. So you know how the Germans think, right? Yep, the handbrake is on the side. We wanted to relocate it to the middle, but just for fun, we're just gonna retain it here. So that's it for this episode. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you again.